Right, you haven't had the sunglasses of cloud. We head to tomorrow, though. You'll be putting the umbrella in the bag and be using it. But through the afternoon, mainly cloudy. It's the leftovers of one weather system, just all the clouds sitting across the British Isles. But look at this thing. Big push of cloud. Quite a weather system, too. You can see the curl of cloud there. This thing means business. Quite near of rain that comes in. But in the meantime, we're still looking at, well, cloud across the British Isles. 1 week weather system, providing some of us with a few spots of drizzle. Maybe from the Midlands up through northern parts of England to, say, southwest Scotland. But notice on either side, say, eastern parts of Scotland, northwest England, a few brighter spots here and there, so it's certainly not a washout. And temperatures 14 for Glasgow, Northern Ireland, Belfast at 15. And look at that already, the wet weather beginning to work in to the western parts of Northern Ireland. For Wales, we've got a fair bit of cloud, a few brighter spots here and there, 15 our number for Cardiff, which is just about where we should be this time of year. Southwest parts of England, some clouds, 16 our number for Plymouth. And along the south coast, there is the cloud there too, but also some brighter spots, maybe to East Anglia. Could just squeeze out 1 or 2 spots of drizzle, but it's mainly dry compared to the big lump of wet weather sitting off to the west, which through the course of the evening and the night, watch what happens. Just works its way in, and you see the greens and the blues, those are the heavier downpours. Quite a band of blue, like a big blue boomerang. This thing with a bend really means some business, some heavier bursts of rain. A chilly 6 ahead of it for Norwich, but under the cloud. 10, 11, 12 should do it as we start off the first part of Tuesday. A wet old day. Put the umbrella in the bag now, because look at this over southwest parts of England. Quite a washout. Easily a mucky old drive to work from Plymouth to Southampton, right the way up to London, with quite an area of rain as this weather system works through. Not quite to it, say, across parts of Norfolk and Kent, but you're getting into it as you go in the morning. Come further north, you can see some of the heavier downpours, the greens, the yellows, Midlands, up through northern parts of England. The rain looking a bit more patchy over the far north of Scotland, and then already, look at this, the back edge of the wet weather easing away from western parts of Scotland. You'll have had the rain overnight for Northern Ireland, so it'll be a drier start, a few showers just knocking on the doorsteps of western parts of Northern Ireland as we start the day. And for Wales, the drier weather just starting to nose in, but it's a wet old start for Cardiff with some heavier bursts of rain as we perhaps head to work. This is the band of rain, and through the day, remember the heavier bursts, they're going to work through eastern parts of England, and some spots could see 20, maybe 25 millimetres of rain, an inch as it works through, so some good rain for the garden. Clearing away, a few showers behind it. Not a bad day. 16, 17 under it, though. 12 to perhaps 15 as we finish off the day. We get rid of that. After that, some dry weather to end the week.